Para sa karamihan, ang first experience nila sa RC ay toy grade RCs. Madalas itong nabibili sa toy store, sa malls, or normally nakukuha mo to as a gift. Toy RC cars were designed to be simple and easy to use. Bubuksan mo lang ang transmitter, bubuksan mo yung RC car, ready to rock. Sa umpisa, parang mabilis and exciting, kaya marami rin nag-iisip na okay na rin ang toy grade RCs. But after some time, at pagbugbog sarado na ang toy grade RCs mo, diyan mo makikita ang benefit ng hobby grade RCs. Toy grade RCs, minsan, yung steering mo hindi na gagana. O kaya yung battery sa loob, which is built in to the RC, hindi na magcha-charge. Or tuluyan ng hindi gagana kahit ano after a crash. Pag nangyari ito, karamihan sa toy grade RCs, tapo na. Wala kang mabibiling replacement parts for the individual parts na masisira. Kailangan mo nang bumili ng buo. Madalas, ang electronics are built-in, sealed, masisira yung RC pag sinubukan mong buksan. So in short, toy grade RCs are fun but are disposable. Let's now talk about hobby grade RCs. Ibang-iba ang pagkakagawa ng hobby grade RC. All of the parts used were designed to be repaired, replaced, or upgraded. Kapag nasira yung motor, you can either upgrade or just get the same motor as replacement. Dahil dito, mas mahal talaga ang hobby grade RCs from the start. Ang hobby grade RCs din gumagamit ng mas matinong radio compared to your toy grade RCs. Mas maraming customization and tuning na pwede mo sa kanyang gawin. Ang steering din sa hobby grade RCs ay mas smooth. Ito yung tinatawag nilang proportional steering. Sa bawat small movement na gagawin ko sa transmitter ko, nagtatranslate yan sa movement to the wheels. That's why, ang hobby grade RCs are more easier to control compared to toy grade RCs. Toy grade RCs, pag kinabit mo yung manubela, kahit small movements lang, extreme movements ang gagawin ng model. Sample ko lang dito, this is a 1/64 scale, so medyo maliit. Or almost all toy grade RCs behave the same way. Hindi siya proportional na tulad ng hobby grade RCs. Ang bottom line when it comes to comparing hobby grade and toy grade RCs, if you want to experience a hobby, of course, get a hobby grade RC. If you just want to try controlling a radio-controlled car, then get a toy grade RC. Yes, mas mahal ang hobby grade RCs, but it is a hobby and marami ka sa kanyang matututunan. Hindi lang siya na something na bibilin mo na pang sandali lang. In the next video, pag-usapan na natin kung paano gumagana ang RCs. Basic components that makes an RC work and fun.